Does your broker have one of these? Does your broker have one of these? Hi, my name's James Allison Crumbaugh III. I'm the founder and CEO of Allison James Estates and Homes. We're the future of real estate, as you've probably already heard. If you can answer yes to either of those two previous questions, or questions such as, does my broker take fabulous vacations? Does my broker have their children in private schools? Well, if you can answer yes to any of these questions, then your broker wishes to thank you for all your dedicated hard work and your offerings and your sharing of your commissions with them, because that's how they got those things. But isn't it your turn to have those items? Isn't it your turn to have the fabulous vacations or to put your child in private school? The days of a broker taking 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50% of your commissions are over. They're antiquated. They're like a typewriter. Those days are over. It's a new world today. It's new technology today. And with the new technology, you no longer have to count on your broker in those large offices and having to give away huge portions of your commissions. You know what? You've got to make a change. If you want to put money in your pocket, you've got to make the change. Just last night, I was speaking to a realtor who said just the first quarter of this year, he would have put $25,000 more in his pocket had he been with Allison James Estates and Homes. Not only do we give you 100% of your commission at Allison James Estates and Homes, we give you 100% support. We are there for you. We support you. You are our customer. Not the customer. You are our customer. And we take care of you. We respect you. We support you. Allison James is not a typewriter broker. We don't live in the old ways and old days. If you want a future, then now is the time to look at Allison James Estates and Homes and to make that decision to put more money in your pocket and to give more money to your family. At Allison James Estates and Homes, we are the future. And as the CEO and founder of this company, and on behalf of my staff, we wish to thank you for listening to this video, and we look forward to working with you in the future and supporting you 100%. Thank you.